All right, got some fajitas here that we're gonna put out on the Rec-Tec RT-700, marinated with some soy sauce as well as some Italian dressing. And we've got this seasoned up with some West Texas rub, mesquite flavored steak seasoning. So that's what's going on right now, and we're gonna get this ready to go. Grill grates ready to receive some fajitas. Shrunk up quite a bit. Alright, how to cut these properly. You've got to cut with the grain a couple of times, maybe 3 or 4 times, and cut these into little strips actually across the grain for maximum tenderness. This is a stringy piece of meat, very rubbery at times, and I was missing a major part of my marinade. I like to use the orange pineapple juice. Makes it even more special. Now, I got these all cut up and ready to go, so here we go. You guys enjoy. And you can go ahead and use the kind of condiments and things you like. Got some fresh tortillas, guacamole, and pico de gallo. Pretty standard in my area. Now some people like to add queso, cheese, shredded cheese I should say, as well as some sour cream and other accoutrements, but this is just about perfect for me. Huge thank you to all of you watching all the way this far. Check out those who have helped me build my logos and caricatures. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hope you're having a great day.